Good day, guys. You're welcome to another live video from FOREX. This is FOREX, where we post trade analysis. We teach you exactly how to look at the market, what the market is doing, how to read it, and then how to take your trades accordingly. So there is another quick video. This is a live trade, and the trade is almost approaching take profit right now. This is a trade I take last night before I go to bed, but hold and behold, looking at the chart right now, and I can see that the market is already approaching my take profit. So I will quickly be diving into what prompted me into taking this trade, how exactly I'm looking at the chart, and then and every other thing. So you are welcome, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. FOREX is our channel, so that whenever we release videos like this, we can always take advantage of it to learn and then to get better. I always say that the chart you are looking at is like a book. You don't need to bombard your chart with all kinds of indicators or what have you. You know, you can read it looking at the chart from left to right, understand what it's doing, and then take your trades accordingly. Raw price action here. So let's quickly dive into it, guys. You're welcome. So I'm looking at the price, you know, after it break out of this blue line that I drew here. I'm looking at it from a weekly time frame. So I know that everything above this price is for the buy. It's a buy. And what do you see after it break out of this particular range that has been ranging coming from the higher time frame? Then it pull back, go higher, then it pull back, and notice that when it pulls back, it didn't hold at a support equal resistance here at this area. It come deeper. Then what do you know? It breaks above this particular price again. It go higher, and at this time around, he hold above this this support that has become this resistance that has now become a support for the price when it's crashing, coming down like this. So I know that everything above this particular area is for the buy, as long as it hasn't come back in to challenge this guy. I know it's still all for the buy. So price pull back from this particular area, get back to this support level here, goes higher, breach this guy. But what do you see from this price? You can see that the price didn't hold above this area. It didn't hold to give us another higher high. We have a higher high, but price didn't hold at this support. Now this place that has now become a support, it come back inside to the same area, to the same support area. It moves up again, try to come down from here. It couldn't go back up. Try to come down from here again. It couldn't go back up. Try to make a higher high, then it crashed back down inside. So I was like, okay, price seems to be finding it difficult to break above this price, because it's been trying a couple of times. You know, it has not been able to get anywhere. If you look at it from this place, you know, here it tried to go down, it couldn't go. It tried to go down again, it couldn't go. Here it tried to make a higher high here now, then it come back crashing down, you know. Then I was like, okay. So immediately price start crashing down like that, then it break below this area. Then some people will be looking at it like, okay, it's now a sell, it's no longer a buy, forgetting that we are still below, we are still above this massive support down here that can still be holding the market, you know. And we can see price has been holding here for almost 2 times now. So when it comes down to this area, it bounces very, very aggressively. I was like, okay, show me more, let's see what you can do. Then the next move from here, you can see that this move started very, very slowly. What I mean by slowly is the fact that candle get weaker. Then at this area, it caught some speed, tried to become aggressive, but it couldn't break. It couldn't give us a low to break this support down here. then try to go up, come down, then it go up very, very aggressively right here. It becomes aggressive. I was like, okay, now we're having a range right here, because it couldn't go here, now we're having almost 4 touches. I was like, okay, it seems like this particular price will still be holding. Then let's see exactly what it's going to do again. Then it come down crashing again, very, very aggressive. I was like, okay, no, this is way too aggressive for me. Then what do you see? Then price start to slow down. What I mean by shop is try to slow down very, very massively. So at this point in time, I was like, I have to step it down to 1 hour, and this is 4-hour time frame, don't forget. So I have to step it down to 1 hour time frame to see the fine details of this little area that price is beginning to slow down at a very, very big support. So I come down to 1 hour chart, then I see this chop. So when it started to slow down like that, then it was a case of, okay, I think for me, we are already at a support area where price has been pushing couple of times and be holding very, very well. So I was like, okay, if I can get price again around this area, then put my stop loss just below this level, then targeting the recent high that price has make, then it will be a good price, so that in case price couldn't go up, try to crash down, I will have minimal risk. Then if it works out, don't forget that it's always a game of risks to reward. So having my stop loss just below here, my entry here, then targeting this area, because I know that since we'll be having this touch here, I know that probably there is a chance that if price couldn't break this level, then I will be, if I see a struggle here, try to turn around, then I can move my stop to 0, then see if it breaks, or if it couldn't break, I can always at least close it before it start coming down against me. So I took the buy around this area. Now see where exactly the price has been. It's almost like it's breaking above this mini range that has been forming now, so it's already approaching my take profit. So I will be updating this particular chart in the coming days, or maybe probably later today, if price hit my take profit, to see exactly how it goes. So what I'm saying in essence is we can always look at the chart like this in a simple term, try to read it for what it is. It might get difficult in the beginning, but after putting some effort, we can get it right, get to read it like a book like this, understand what it's doing, and then take the trades accordingly. What I'm trying to do, the challenge I'm giving myself this year, is the fact that I will be opening a small account, then I will see exactly what I can do with that account. So I opened a small account, $110 at the beginning of the first week of this January. I was like, okay, let's see if I can take the account to $3,000 by the end of March. That was the challenge I gave myself. So currently, from $110, the balance now is already at $152. So now currently I'm having about five trade running, open position, including the one I just do the analysis right now, and I'm having all of them are in profit. So I will be updating exactly what happened to this particular account by the end of March, but my target is to take it at least to $3,000. It's very, very possible, with a minimal risk, and then having a target of a very good target like this. But we update you guys on exactly what happens in the coming days. So I will always be posting videos of trades like this, and I will be making more videos of some of the other trade that is currently running now. But please subscribe to our channel, so that whenever we release the videos like this, you can always be there to see it and then take advantage of it. Cheers guys, you're welcome.